Hey there, my name's David. On this episode, I want to talk to you about, is your weight holding you back from doing the things you love in life? So take a look where I'm at right here. Look at this amazing location. So I'm at the end of, I think I'm about 14 kilometers into a run, and I decided to just come down here. So I started running through the woods, and I was thinking about this because like when I was 100 pounds more, I could have got out here, but it would have been a kind of a struggle. When I think about that, I was thinking, how sad is it that if your weight is holding you back from living the life you want to live? Now, I encourage you to make a list, make a bucket list of things you want to do in your life. It doesn't have to be climbing mountains or whatever, but make a list of 10 things that you want to do, and then go through those 10 things that you haven't done that you want to do that's on your bucket list that you can't do because of your weight. Often a big one is traveling. People can't carry their own bags. They can't walk through the cities. They always have to get a bus or this or that, and it costs too much money. Where if you're actually super lean and fit and you could walk the cities, you could easily do it on the cheap. So there's a lot of different reasons that our weight can hold us back from living the life we want. And this shouldn't be the case. Why are we limiting ourselves just based on our weight? And really the weight of people being overweight today is just a result of society changing the food, going to processed food. Like back in the old days, there used to be only sourdough bread, and now it's all mass manufactured in factories. And it's not fermented, which is harder on our like gut flora, bacteria, and all that stuff. And processed foods, everything's become convenient. I encourage you to really just make a bucket list of what you want to do in life, and then cross-reference that with your weight. And what is your weight limiting you from doing? Like, this is your life. This is the most important thing. This is the most important list in your life. In 100 years, we're all going to be dead. So make that list today and start taking the action today to go achieve those goals, to start doing those things in your life. Me personally, I'm not going to talk too much about it right now, but next year I'm going to be taking off and kind of traveling the world quite a bit, and that's I'll say right now until everything's kind of finalized. I'm making that list myself, and I'm like, okay, what do I need to work on so I'm not limited when I get to these certain places where I can fully achieve and I can fully relish the surroundings I'm in. Hopefully this kind of just is a little wake-up call if you haven't thought about it recently, and just really make that bucket list and cross-reference it. It just really opens your eyes of what you should be focusing your time on. So if this content helps you guys out, let me know in the comments down below, subscribe, and until next one, have a good one.